Hello YouTubers, I'm GameFun124 and I'm here with another Minecraft pixel art tutorial. Yeah, I can't remember who this was suggested by, but it's Koopa Troopa, the modern version. So what you're gonna need for this build is yellow wool, white wool, black wool, lime wool, and sand. And once you find a place where you're gonna build it, I'm gonna build it right here. We're gonna start up in an 8 on the ground, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna go up by 3 in this one. 1, 2. Well, I guess 2 for turns into 3. And this one we're gonna go up 3. 1, 2, 3, so it turns into 4. Next we're gonna come back to this one. We're gonna go up diagonal by 1, make it 3, 2, 3. And this one, we're going to go out on this side by 2. 1, 2. And same thing on this side. 1, 2. And we're going to go on the second block right here. And we go 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll go up diagonal by 1. Up diagonal by 1 again. Like that. And make a little L shape. And that's going to turn into 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to go back over here. And we're going to go on this side. We're going to go up by 3. 1, 2, so it turns into 3. And we're going to connect this. Like that. And we're going to go 3 over this way. 1, 2, 3. Like that. And on this one, we're going to go up by 1 and over by 3. And then just place 1 there, like so. Next, we're going to go on the other side of this, place 1. And we're going to go up and up diagonal by 1. And that's going to turn into 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then on top, and we're gonna cut down 3. 1, 2, 3. And this one, we're gonna go over by 3. 1, 2, 3. And then place 1 on top. Well, it looks like that. And then this one needs to go 1 more high. Like so. Hold on. Still think don't look right. Okay. This needs to move down by 1. That needs to move down by 1. And that needs to move down by 1. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of this. Now we should be on track again. So that one's 7 and that one's 7. And I cut down 4 in the 4th block. We're going to connect it and then put 1 on top like that. Hopefully it doesn't confuse you too much. Okay, let's go on this block. Now let's go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like so. We're gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over 1. Up diagonal by 1. And 2 and in diagonal by 1. Again. I make a T shape like that. And then place a block on a diagonal down like that. Next we're gonna go on this block. We're gonna go up diagonal. And we're gonna go up. Make that 4. 2, 3, 4. And over 2. 1, 2 for turns into 3. And on this one we're gonna go up diagonal and make an upside down L shape like that. And here we're gonna go over on this block and make a 3. 1, 2, 3 for turns into 4. And on top we're gonna go up 1 and over 1 and up 1 and make an L shape like so. Yeah. Okay. On top of this L shape, we can go up diagonal by 1 and over by 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 10s in the 4. And on top, we're gonna place one there. And then underneath, we're gonna place one there. For it looks like that. And then we're gonna go on this set of 4. We're gonna place one at the end like that. And we're gonna go on this block. I'm gonna go up diagonal by 1, up diagonal by 1 again. So it should look like that. On this block, we're gonna count in 1. We're gonna go up 2. Rotation to 3. Then up diagonal by 1, 2. Oops. And on this block, we're gonna go up by 1, 2. Rotation to 3. And over by 1. Rotation in the 2. And on this block, we're gonna go up diagonal by 1. Over by 3. So you have 3 blocks. We're gonna go down underneath and go 1, 2, 3. Like so. And now what you're gonna do is this is gonna be yellow. 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 And this L right here is gonna be white. This section here is gonna be yellow. This area is gonna be sand. Oh, this space here is gonna be sand. That. And this is gonna be white. And all of this here is gonna be green. So I'm gonna do that. And then we'll be back and take a look at it. Okay, that's what it should look like when you're done. With all the sand, yellow, and white and green. And I forgot to tell you, go right here, place 2 green. So now we're gonna work on the head. So we're gonna take our black roll, we're gonna count, we're going on the middle block, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna make an L shape. Go up diagonal 1, make an L shape like that. Then we'll go up diagonal again. Crap. Make that 3, 2, 3. And we're gonna make an upside down. We go up diagonal again. And we're gonna make another upside down L. And we're gonna place 2 on top. Like that. Next we're gonna turn this into 4. So 2, 3, 4. Up diagonal by 1. Up diagonal by 1 again. And make that 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And underneath on the center block, we're gonna go like that. Now we're gonna come on top of this green block. And I'm gonna go up by 3. 1, 2, 3. Up and diagonal by 1. Up, diagonal, up, diagonal by 1 again. And make an arrow shape. I don't know why I can say that. And this can turn into 3. 1, 2, 3. And then up, diagonal by 1, like so. And this is the outline of the head. Next, we're gonna come underneath this. We're gonna go down by 1. Break the second block and make that 3 for 1 art. And we're gonna go over 1 again. Break the center one. And up by 3. And unless I forgot to turn the autosave on. So we're gonna have to let it do that quickly. And next, we're gonna come to this upside down L shape. We're gonna go off it by diagonal. Place 3. Break the center one. And there's his nose. Next, we're gonna come down there. On this block, we're gonna go up. We're gonna place one. And we're gonna go up diagonal. Like that 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And off. We're gonna cut in 1, 2. And then we're gonna go up by 1, 2. 4 turns into 3. Now what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna show you where to place everything. We're gonna outline the eyes with white. Come on. Like that, well, I might as well fill the eyes in with you. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill the rest of the head in with yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it's like when it's. And that's what it should look like once it's done. And there you have it, Koopa model and Koopa Troopa. Wrong button. Help and options, settings, user interface. there. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you have any suggestions for any future tutorials, please leave so in the description below. I still am working on some other fix for two other suggestions, so hopefully I can get that done. But remember, if you like the video, remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.